What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to share your iPhone's location with family and friends. To do so we'll need the Find My app, so I'll open it here on my iPhone. Then you want to go to the People's tab here at the bottom left corner. You'll tap on it and then it'll ask you to start sharing location. So I'll choose that, the option at the bottom here, start sharing location. I'll tap on it. It'll ask me to choose from my contacts, or I can tap the plus icon here on the top right corner to add another contact. So let's add a contact, for example. It'll tell me that this number doesn't use an iPhone, but for the sake of this video, I'll just go along with it. So tap OK. Now you'll see this name is added at the list above. Let's tap on send at the top right corner. It'll ask if I want to share my location with this person for 1 hour till the end of the day or indefinitely. So if I choose indefinitely, my location will be shared forever with this person. If he opens the Find My app on his iPhone, he'll be able to see my location.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.